Lalabas na naman si Gaga. For someone who's saying that I'm not here for vacation, I'm going out a lot. Do I have money? No, I don't. But it's EXO's anniversary today. So I wanted to go to Gwangya in Seoul Forest. Seoul Forest? And I'm going alone. So good luck to me. Good luck to this stupid girl getting lost in Korea. It's gonna be okay. I screenshotted the train station. I'm taking the train. And I'll be getting off at Seoul Station. Seoul Forest Station. So hoping for the best. go here at COEX because I'm trying to find yung mga kamay. 어디냐? 어디냐? 여기? 아니? COEX. Okay, down for you. Oh my god, 찾았어. 여기 있네. Okay, hinintay kong matapos yung mga tao kasi maraming tao kanina. Pero let's start here. It's Kangta, and then Super Junior, and then Sunday. Girls' Generation. Hindi. Ano na lang. Hala, sa GG, si ano na lang. Taeyeon, Hyoyeon, Sunny, and Yuri na lang yung natira. Si Yuna din nandito. And then Shiny, even Jonghyun. Birthday niya ngayon, diba? And then Victoria, Amber, Luna, and Krista. Bakit nawala yung ibang GG? Pero nandito pa sila, FX. And then EXO. Hi. I can't believe I'm here. I can't believe I'm finally here. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko na-expect yung level of manifestations ko. Pumunta ako dito kasi hard to believe that I kiss. You're always there beside me. Now I'm gonna look for SM Atrium. It's here somewhere. Here's Red Velvet, NCT. Di ko sure bakit nakahiwalay si Soli. Nakahiwalay siya sa FFX. And then solo people. Maybe Monster. Huh? Okay, now this is K-Town for COEX, but there's this photo card wall. And I can't find EXO. I have Red Velvet, Idol, Blackpink. I can't find EXO. So this is like a shop. Don't be billing. I am not buying. Let's go. Naliligaw na ako. I'm trying to find SM Atrium. And I don't have Wi-Fi. So I'm just walking around. I think I'm also gonna try to find INB Entertainment, Bacon's Building. But it's almost 5. I mean, it's past 5. So I don't know. Should I go home? I'm gonna try to find the Wi-Fi muna. Free Wi-Fi. already closed. It's not there anymore. I've been looking for it for like a long time. And then, kumain na lang ako sa McDo. And then I came home. Gala is for another day. Chinggudul. Girl Pop is back. Lalabas na naman po siya. Gagala na naman. Look at this tree. It's alive now. It's been dead since I've been here. I'm going to Incheon because EXO, it's April 14th. EXO has a fan meet. Today, I don't have tickets. I have no tickets. I have no money. But I'm going there because I can. Just because I can. Bakit? So I'm going now. It's a 3-hour commute by Korea Transport Standards. It's pretty far. I'm like crossing like 2 islands to get there. It's in Inspire Arena. It's like just around Incheon Airport. So I'm gonna take the subway. I'm gonna take a bus and I have like a 30-minute walk going there. So pray for me. I don't know how I'll survive today, but it's such a good day. 좋은 날. 오늘은 좋은 날씨였어요. So kaya ko to. The bus is nearly here. I thought I'm gonna be like a bit early, but I'm not. So let's go. 3-hour commute. Incheon. Syempre, naligaw ako. It's already 1 p.m. Wala mong daw K-pop. Makikichismis muna ako kasi naliligaw. Shit. I can't do this. Finally found my bus. Booking ina. Saan pa ako umiikot, Leche? Pero it's supposed to arrive around 4 minutes. So that's around 30 minutes. 30-minute bus, I think. Gusto maglalakad pa ako. Pasty. Gusto ko sana mag-taxi, but I don't know what to say. Baka iligaw ako. Ano kung iligaw? So, I got on the wrong bus. Well, it's the right bus, but it's going the other way. The event already started. It's starting 2 p.m. Like the first one is 2 p.m. The second one is 7 p.m. It's alright, team labas lang naman ako, pero you know, I'm now here in the middle of the highway because I got off the first stop that I can. Now I'm just waiting for the pedestrian so I can get on the other side. It's okay. Adventure. Ilang beses this is in the mainland na ba to? Booking ina. I specifically remember the train crossing to the bridge to the other island. And now I was like, oh my god, this is the same way that the train. Saan dumaan yung train? Ayoko na, ewan ko na, hindi ko na alam yung languages ko. Pero like, it's the same way. I was like, oh my god, I'm going back. Shit. Okay. I'm gonna cross. Okay, I'm now in the correct bus station. It says around 12 minutes for the next bus. Going the right way. I'm Kenchana. Well, I'm here waiting for the bus. I just want to say I'm so hungry and I'm so thirsty. I haven't eaten since last night because I was hurrying to go out kanina. And now I don't know. It's fine. It's all for EXO. Sige. Ganyan. Mga trip mo sa buhay eh. Tulog ako sa bus. Fuck. Okay. Ganito na lang. Pero I see people in front of me na may mga EXO things. So, susunod lang ako. Kasi it's a 30-minute walk from here, from the last bus stop to here. Oh my god, may 7-Eleven. Kakain kaya muna ako. Kakain muna ako, fuck. I'm so hungry. May lakas ng loob ako mag ice cream because
actually warm today. It's reaching more than 20 degrees. So, nauna na sa akin yung mga other XOLs of girly pops over there. They're so pretty. Maraming foreigners. And this is my first time na it's a bit loud. This is my first time na magkiting labas. So, but it's upgraded. It's not Team Labas in the Philippines. It's Team Labas in Korea. What the fuck is wrong with my At least, next time pupunta. I still don't know how to buy tickets, but figure it out. Mag-restore lang ako ng energy because I'll be walking sa venue. Oh, diba? It looks like I'm in the middle of nowhere. What the fuck is this? Hindi man siya taniman, hindi siya bukid. It's just open space. And do you see that dome? I think that's where I'm going. Susunod lang. May mga tao naman sa harap ko, pero like very far. Sundan ko lang sila. Somewhere there, andyan si Chanyol. Dio, Baekhyun, Suho, Xiumin Chen. Is that all? Suho, Chen, Baekhyun, Chanyol, Dio. Yeah, anim lang kasi walang lay, walang zero, walang kain. Kenchana! Kenchana yo! Okay, yun na yun. Going home. Daan akong book yung underground mall because isang bus lang naman. And then, from there, daan ako uwi. Bye, Chanyol. You're there somewhere. Till next time. Sayang, di mo na naman ako nakita. It's okay. There's next time. There's time. I'm not going anywhere. Staying here until we see each other again and again. Ako na nag-adjust. Okay? Oh, I also wanna say, light blue pala yung dress code. I didn't know. But buti na lang naka-denim jacket ako. I was planning to wear something else. Pero I thought there's like a huge difference kasi ng temperature sa by day and night. So, by night bigla siya nagda-drop. So, I wanna be prepared. So, ayan nga. Tama ako. Ang lamig ng hangin. Like, the sun looks really hot. Pero like, there's wind na malamig. So, it's still Siwonhae. Siwonhada. Nag-start yung concert actually. It's 2 p.m. 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. So, the 2 p.m. already started. I'm already seeing videos, clips of it. Pupunta next time. Ano ba yung next? Kay Suho yung next eh. Suho. And then yung concert ni Dio. Paano ba my ARC will get delivered by the end of month. Paano ba kung ng ticket? I think magpapaano ako, papa-assist ako. Kasi agaw ng ticket dito. Hirap naman. Dito ka na lahat. So near yet so far. Gusto ko ng coke. By the way, hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video dun. Cause, I'm shy. Ang daming tao. There are lots of foreigners. So, I just like, got a few clips and then I went home. It's like 30 minutes. It took me 5 hours to get here. And now I just realized, oh my gosh, this is my life now. Like, I never imagined na I'll be, because all I wanted in life, oh, wait lang. Look at this. Can you see? Oh my gosh, mag-wish ako. Can I have this? I wanna see Chanyol and EXO. May tao sa likod ko nakakaya. EXO! Correct. So I was saying, all I wanted in life is like live in Korea so I can be able to fangirl anytime I want. And it's not gonna be like nakakahiya because it's normal here. And now I'm living my dream. This feels surreal now. Okay, I'm here somewhere.
States.